Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of X Twitter. You will go to X Twitter on settings. Here you will go to settings like this. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this page of X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account of your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you